Imagine a single exercise that strengthens your muscles, gets your heart pumping, and torches calories all at once. Yes, that's the power of the burpee, a full-body exercise that's a staple in the world of fitness. Now let's dive into the world of burpees and understand how to execute this exercise with precision. Start by standing tall and strong, feet hip-width apart. The first move is a squat. Lower your body into a squat position, making sure to keep your back straight and your chest lifted. It's important to remember that the power of a burpee comes from a strong and controlled squat. Next, place your hands on the floor directly in front of your feet. With a swift motion, kick your feet back so that you find yourself in a plank position. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. This part of the burpee is where the core strength comes into play, as it works your abs, chest, and shoulders. Now lower your chest to perform a push-up. This move will strengthen your upper body, enhancing your arms and chest muscles. Make sure your elbows are close to your body as you lower down and then push back up. Kick your feet back in towards your hands, returning to the squat position. From here, use your leg muscles to jump into the air with as much force as you can muster. Reach your arms overhead and try to get as much height as you can. This explosive movement not only works your legs but also increases your heart rate, giving you a cardiovascular workout. Land softly and immediately lower yourself back into the squat position to begin your next rep. And there you have it, the burpee in all its glory. A total body workout packed into one dynamic move. To recap, a burpee is a four-part exercise that starts with a squat, moves into a plank, incorporates a push-up, and ends with a powerful jump. This exercise not only strengthens all the major muscle groups but also increases cardiovascular fitness and burns a ton of calories. Remember to keep your movements controlled and your form strong throughout. The power of a burpee comes from its execution, not speed. So, the next time you're looking for a workout that's as challenging as it is effective, remember the burpee. This simple yet powerful exercise can transform your fitness routine and take your strength and endurance to new heights. Embrace the burpee, the king of bodyweight exercises, and experience a workout like no other.